Hi guys, welcome back to Auguilicious. Today I'll be talking about subscribers, growing organic subscribers. So the five key points I'll be bringing out here for us today to talk about organic subscribers. One is knowing that thing that makes you happy, your niche. Two, consistency. Three, engagement, very important. Four, confidence in yourself. Five, never reply negative comment in the same way they reply to you. So stay tuned, okay? I've noticed over time from my experience that people keep talking about niche. So have looked at different videos and I've also done my review. For what I understand about niche is knowing that thing you do that makes you happy. What is it that even if you wake up from sleep makes you happy? If you notice, I've been doing my workout, bringing it out here for you guys. Apart from just posting it to avoid burnout, it's something that I know that is also helping me and also being of an inspiration to someone out there. That's why I'm putting it out here. So you should take a niche from that kind of idea. Two, consistency. Consistency, as they say, it doesn't mean you must post every day, but you are the better person, you're in a better position to make that decision. So if you find this video interesting, please comment and share my videos. So you're the better person to know how consistent you want to be. Is it every day? Is it every week? Every month? So you are the one to make that decision. No one has to make it for you. You can only go for them to give you advice or take advice. It's up to you to make that decision to want to come out every day, every week, every month. But you have to be consistent. That is how I would put it. Three, engagement. What I've noticed over time, if you if you're my subscriber, you will know most times people that comment on my video, I don't just say thank you or love emoji. No. I go to their video and if I find it interesting, I comment and I subscribe most times. So if you know you've subscribed through that process, let me know in the comment section because it's very good to engage with your community. Most times we go to big creators that will never even notice us. But avoid forgetting that people that comment on your platform are also important. Sometimes you go visit them, visit their video, comment, even if the person is just starting YouTube today. You could be the person's first subscriber. I've been first subscriber to someone. So it's not a big thing to go to people's videos and comment, not just the big YouTubers. I hope this is okay. Not just the big YouTubers. So learn to engage with everyone that comes to your comment section, even if not everyone, most of them. Not just sending the like. I know we have um most YouTubers or content creators, they do that a lot, reply and they don't even bother to watch their followers' video, or maybe they watch and that's it. So let me know where you stand. If this video is not just for small YouTubers, for both big and small, everyone, because we are all growing. I may not have the thousands of subscribers now, but I know I'm getting there and I hope to get there before this year end. So guys, if you've not subscribed, subscribe and comment on my video, share my video. Let me know what you think about this um growing subscribers organically. And let me know how you've grown yours over the months because I noticed these few months I've been consistent bringing out videos. I've not only gained subscribers, but I've gained engagement. That takes me to my video I made in regards to rest stream. So if you're getting audience through that platform, you might not get engagement. So take note of that. So I think I've mentioned 3 points, so I have 2 more points now. The the fourth one is apart from engagement, you have to have confidence in yourself. because most times we think that it's just engagement. If you're not confident enough, you can you can't convince someone else to want to engage with your video. You have to be confident and have that assurance in yourself, believe in what you're saying. That's why I said you have to love what you're doing. If you love what you're doing, the confidence will flow naturally. Let me know what you think about this the final one before I will go to the negative comment. If you know you've had negative comment as a YouTuber, even if not as a YouTuber, whatever you're doing, you've had a negative energy come to you, let me know in the comment section, because I've had negative comment as well. Someone not liking my video and saying my video is not a good idea. I've had that on a channel I created. But how did I deal with it? I replied, have you watched the video properly? I'm just giving an example. Have you watched this video properly before you jumped into that conclusion? Because most times people just watch halfway and they conclude. So when you're replying negative comment, reply them in such a way that they will end up engaging with your video. That's what I would say. So the 5 points you should take note of, very, very important. These 5 points I've mentioned. If you didn't get it, you can play back the video so you get it. And let me know what you think about this in the comment section. You guys are amazing. Let's push Auguilicious to 1,000 subscribers this year, and she get her 4,000 watch hours, and she will inspire you out there to come out and do this. Bye guys. See you in my next video. Bye for now.